What's going on, everyone? In today's video, I'll be unboxing and giving my first thoughts on the Lenovo Legion Go 2 coming from the Lenovo Legion Go. Opening up the box, the first thing you'll be greeted by is the Legion Go 2 inside of its carrying case, and then there are two more boxes inside with the paperwork and the power adapter. As for the carrying case here, first thoughts, it's not as rigid as the Legion Go's carrying case. This is slightly softer, it has a different texture. It doesn't feel like a hard case, which I really don't mind. It's a nice looking carrying case, that I will say. Opening up the case, we get a glimpse of the Legion Go 2, and then inside it there's also the magnetic controller holder, which enables FPS mode. Now that I have it in my hands, my first impression is that the Legion Go 2 is definitely more rounded than the original Legion Go. It feels more ergonomic, and the overall design looks more elegant and refined. It has a more polished, complete look compared to the first gen. Lenovo also increased the size of the joysticks, so they now feel much closer to what you'd find on console controllers. Another improvement I noticed is the D-pad. Lenovo redesigned it, and it just feels more precise and responsive than the original Legion Go. If you play fighting games, retro games, platformers, or 2D indie titles, you'll definitely appreciate the difference. Diagonal inputs feel more accurate, movement feels tighter, and overall it's just more satisfying to use. One of the biggest advantages of the Legion Go lineup has always been having a larger screen than competitors like the Steam Deck or ROG Ally, and that continues here. The original Legion Go had an IPS display, which was captivating and it looked nice, but the Legion Go 2 comes with an improved OLED display that looks even better and improves the overall gaming experience. Now, I haven't played that many games on this device yet, but the games that I have tried so far seem to run pretty well. The newer hardware should deliver better frame rates, improved efficiency, and smoother gameplay across modern AAA titles. In terms of ports, it's the same. So it comes with two USB 4 ports, both supporting 40 gigabits per second DisplayPort output and power delivery. What makes it different is the placement of these ports. So now, instead of having the headphone jack on the top like on the Legion Go, it's got it on the bottom, which makes it easier and more convenient to use your headphones while on the go. But on the other side, the Legion Go, when you're docking it, you can just plug in your headphone from the top of the device, while on the Legion Go 2, if you're docking it and trying to use it in a PC kind of way, the headphone jack is harder to reach since it's in the bottom. So that's the only thing to keep in mind, but yeah, same ports. Unlike on the Legion Go when it first came out, Windows kind of felt sluggish, but it did improve over time. While on the Legion Go 2, it just feels smooth and snappy. Everything works as it should. It doesn't feel like a buggy system. It just works. But wait a minute. There are slight glitches here and there, but it's not significant enough for me to mention, at least as of now. Another upgrade is the battery. Lenovo increased it from 49.2 watt-hour to 74 watt-hour. That's about a 50% larger battery, which helps deliver longer gaming sessions between charges. From what I've seen so far, the battery life improvement during gaming isn't all that dramatic. While the Legion Go 2 has a larger battery, the more powerful hardware offsets some of those gains. Where you really notice the difference is during lighter tasks like web browsing and watching movies. This is where the Legion Go 2 can last around 4 hours longer than the original Legion Go. Overall, the Lenovo Legion Go 2 delivers meaningful performance upgrades and thoughtful design refinements over the Legion Go, creating a more immersive and enjoyable gaming experience.